Prakash?
Yeah. From my perspective, I think like this is a traditional approach of listen more, judge it properly from your own thoughts, and then extract the actual meaning and learn it. So that process actually, I personally accept that process, and that process really helped me uh, to grasp more of the ideas, and that's the best thing I believe from this session.
Right. Thank you very much, Prakash.
Thank you
And
too.
see, this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
Just the beginning. Now, let's start applying it at our workplace on our starting from our next working week. Some of the things, and when you complete L2, you will be able to conduct sessions and explain it to team, and you will be able to drive it. You yourself will be able to drive it. But however, let's tweak and refine our thoughts and apply it at the workplace, and which is more important. And there are some of the other things, which is yes, I always encourage people to apply, and even submit the case study. Thank you very much.